You guys, you might not know what's going on, but there are tons of birds going fly to the ground. It's about to thunderstorm. But all of these birds right here that I'm trying to film, and my dog is barking. Anyway, hey Micah. So all these birds are flying close because they're learning how to fly, and I just wanted to share this majestic moment.
The end is near. The end is near.
That's what I thought at first. Like when
Birds carry rabies.
Yeah.
Who said that?
Bro, like literally, I feel like one of them is gonna chop my head off. If you guys could only see how many birds are here right now, like,
Alright.
it is astounding. What?
Someone's stunned by me.
These guys are like flying really low. Otis, Chiba down. You guys can't know that's Otis up there.
What if we run like back to them?
Then we're gonna die. See? Look how close that was, bro.
Let's try.
That's gonna be dumb. Alright. Whatever. Water keeps getting on the camera. Ah, man.
One's gonna go over me.
Just to tell you guys how close they are. Look. That is close. Dang. Bro. So far, summer has been amazing. I've loved every second of it. Bugs on the ground. But, yeah, you guys, I'm tired. I was just telling you guys about the birds. We think there's a nest over here. There's a nest in the two front trees. I don't know. Oh shoot, dude. Dang. See, yeah, there's definitely a nest over here.
Nah.
Why are they all just? See? I told you, dude. There's flipping nest over here or something. Maybe food. Oh. Okay, my camera's getting sprinkled on, so I really think we should end the vlog. Not vlog, but video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys when we post later. Peace.